Hey everyone, today's my recipe red bean Puran Poli. This is very different to another food Puran Poli. This is very tasty. You can store this recipe for 2 to 3 days. You can travel this recipe. No need fridge. Take a bowl, add 2 cups of water and a half cup of maida and a half teaspoon of turmeric and 2 pinch of salt. Mix well. Then add water gradually. Normal water I am using here. No need lukewarm water, any hot water. Normal water we can use room temperature water only. I am using here. Make a dough to semi soft dough. This recipe is very tasty and delicious and healthy. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of oil. I am using here sunflower oil only. You can use ghee 1 tablespoon. Then apply to entire dough. Then keep aside for 30 minutes. I soaked overnight 1 cup of red bean. This is very good for sweets. Then remove the water. Then transfer to pressure cooker. Add 1.5 cup of water and 5 to 6 green cardamom. Close and cook for 6 to 7 whistles. Now wait for release the gas. Then check it's cooked or not. It's very soft and you can transfer to a big bowl. Then cool down completely. Now this is normal temperature. Then transfer the entire red bean with water to mixer jar. Then grind it into fine paste. Now check this. This is ground paste, very softy. You can use, but I am going to sieve this better. Then we will get very soft batter. Some hard particles is there. We can remove those. And then only our Puran Poli will come very soft. It will take time 9 to 10 minutes. Now 1 tablespoon of a hard part is there. That is a red bean and a cardamom skin only. Then now we add 1 cup of jaggery powder. How much you took the red bean, that much you have to took jaggery powder. Or you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons extra jaggery powder if you want sweetness, more sweetness. Then continuously stir it. It will take time 5 to 6 minutes or sometimes or depending on quantity it will take time. Medium flame only you can cook. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. It will not sticky while we are preparing the puri. When it turns to thickness, you can stove off, then stir another 2 minutes. Otherwise, like It will stick to our pan. Then transfer to a plate, cool down. Now it's a normal temperature. We can see this. It will not stick. It thickness also very perfect, very soft. Better soft stuffing is ready. We can get this much. Now check the dough. Dough is very soft and very softened, and equal quantity of dough we have to take. Then dip into a all-purpose flour. Then roll it a small roti. Then fill with stuffing. Extra dough, remove it. Then make a Puran Poli. This is very healthy to elders, to children. Heat the pan. Then apply first time the ghee 1 teaspoon. Then fry it on two sides. It's very soft. It will take time to fry. Meantime, we can do one more. Prepare with another one. Then turn it. It's a frying. You can see the pan. It's like a balloon. Now apply ghee two sides. Make all the Puran Polis in this way. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more delicious videos and like it, comment me. This is very soft, healthy Puran Poli. Prepare it and eat it. This is very easy way we can do. Thank you for watching.